Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things, Week 9, Assignment 9. So, the first question is in the fog computing architecture for IIoT, where are the fog devices located? So, these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our first question. So, question first fog computing architecture for IIoT fog devices. So, the answer of our first question is B, between the cloud and the industrial and devices. Now, the second question is which of the following is not a fog platform provider? So, these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our second question. So, question second, fog platform providers, Foghorn, Nebbiolo Technologies, Crosser. So, the answer of our second question is D, Sony. Now, the third question is which command in R programming is used to see the list of reserved word like if, else, true, and null? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, reserved word in R, word having a special meaning and cannot be used as variable name, function name, etc. Reserved or help reserved. So the answer of our third question is A. Now, the fourth question is what is the result of the following expression in R programming if n is a vector containing integers from 1 to 10, 15% in percent n? So, these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So, question fourth, percent in percent to check an element belongs to vector. So, the answer of our fourth question is C, false. Now, the fifth question is which of the following is not a data structure in Julia programming? So, these are the options. So, the answer of our fifth question is C. Now, the sixth question is which of the following does not fall under the essential characteristics of cloud computing according to NIST? So, these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So, question sixth, cloud computing essential characteristics according to NIST: on demand, self service, broad network access, resource pooling. So, the answer of our sixth question is D, manual server configuration. Now, the seventh question is which of the following does not represent a NoSQL database? So, these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So, question seven, three main NoSQL databases, key value databases, column oriented databases, and document oriented databases. So, the answer of our seventh question is D. Now, the eighth question is state true or false in Hadoop distributed file system HDFS. The Namen nodes stores the actual data blocks while data nodes maintain the metadata information about the file. True or false? So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, Hadoop distributed file system centralized node name node maintains metadata info about file. Distributed node data node store the actual data. Files are divided into blocks. Each block is replicated. So the answer of our eighth question is B. Now the ninth question is which property of a DCN refers to its ability to support any service on any server at any time? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, data center network properties, agility, any service on any server at any time. So the answer of our ninth question is D, agility. Now the 10th question is what is the main architectural difference between the D cell, B cube topologies and the traditional three tier topology? So these are the option. And the answer of our 10th question is A. Now the 11th question is what is the core principle of a software defined data center? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our 11th question. So question 11, software defined data center for IIoT, virtualized data storage abstracted from hardware. So the answer of our 11th question is B. Now the 12th question is in the SDN architecture, which plane contains the physical forwarding devices, switches and routers? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our 12th question. So the answer of our 12th question is A, data plane. Now the 13th question is which protocol is commonly used to facilitate communication between the SDN controller and the forwarding devices? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our 13th question. So question 13, SDN components attributes protocol open flow. So the answer of our 13th question is A, open flow. Now the 14th question is which of the following software platforms is commonly required to perform execution on semi-structured data such as JSON or NoSQL? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our 14th question. So question 14, Hadoop software framework for distributed processing of large datasets across large clusters of computers. So the answer of our 14th question is C. Apache Hadoop. Now the 15th question is in Industry 4.0. Why is big data analytics essential for handling the huge amount of data generated by IoT device and sensors? So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is C. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.